every bottle on the shelf claims to protect your engine. But lab tests and real-world engine teardowns reveal a shocking truth. Most synthetic oils don't even meet their own promises. Some barely do the minimum, leaving your engine vulnerable to wear, sludge, and friction. Yet, a select few outperform expectations, keeping pistons spotless, bearings smooth, and engines running like new even under extreme heat or heavy load. If you care about long-lasting performance, you need to know exactly which oils make the cut and which ones can silently destroy your motor. Stick around, because by the end, I'll reveal a truth most mechanics won't tell you about synthetic oil, and it might change how you look at every oil change. Number 9. Castrol Edge Advanced Full Synthetic. Castrol Edge earns its place for one simple reason: consistency under stress. In Sequence 4 wear tests, Castrol's titanium-based additive package shows impressive results in reducing metal-to-metal contact, even under high-load engines. The fluid titanium technology literally changes shape under pressure, reinforcing the oil film where it matters most around bearings and camshafts. It's not the cheapest option, but if you own a turbocharged engine or push your vehicle hard, Castrol Edge has proven to handle extreme heat without thinning out. Industry tested under ASTM D4683 for high-temperature viscosity stability. Number 8. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic. Pennzoil's secret weapon isn't just marketing, it's their Pure Plus technology, which converts natural gas into a crystal-clear base oil with fewer impurities. According to Dexos 1 Gen 3 approval data, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum excels at keeping pistons up to 45% cleaner than conventional oils after extended mileage intervals. That purity also means less sludge and varnish buildup, giving your engine cleaner internals and longer-lasting seals. If you drive newer cars, especially direct injection or turbo engines, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is one of the most trusted choices by performance tuners and everyday drivers alike. Number 7. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic. Valvoline has been around since the 1800s, and their latest synthetic formula continues that legacy. Test results from Blackstone Labs consistently show lower than average wear metals like iron and copper when using Valvoline Advanced. It's loaded with antioxidants and friction modifiers that keep the oil stable over long drain intervals. For drivers who do city stop-and-go traffic or heavy towing, this oil's thermal stability makes a big difference. It's also widely available and fairly priced, making it a practical favorite for both DIY mechanics and professionals. Number 6. Mobil 1 Extended Performance. Mobil 1 is practically a benchmark in the synthetic oil world, but this extended performance version steps it up. Approved for 15,000-mile drain intervals, it meets Dexos 1 Gen 3 and ACEA A5B5 standards, meaning it passes some of the strictest European and American lab requirements for oxidation resistance and deposit control. Mobil 1's advanced SuperSyn additive system helps maintain viscosity even at 500 dgUs, making it perfect for high-output engines. It's not just marketing. Countless teardown inspections show engines running Mobil 1 for over 200,000 miles with visible wear almost non-existent. If you're the kind of driver who wants peace of mind between long oil changes, this is a no-brainer. Number 5. AmSoil Signature Series Synthetic Motor Oil. This one's the favorite among professionals who demand lab-level protection. AmSoil was actually one of the first synthetic oils approved by the American Petroleum Institute, API, decades ago, and they still set the bar. The Signature Series offers up to 75% more protection against horsepower loss and wear compared to the industry standard. In independent 4-ball wear tests, AmSoil consistently shows the smallest wear scar diameter. That means less friction, less heat, and longer engine life. It's expensive, yes, but if you're serious about performance or drive under heavy loads, AmSoil's top-tier formulation simply outperforms the majority. Number 4. Royal Purple High Performance Synthetic. Royal Purple stands out for its proprietary Synerlec additive technology, which chemically bonds to metal surfaces for a microscopic protective film. That means even if oil pressure drops momentarily, like during a cold start, this layer prevents direct contact between metal components. Independent fleet testing shows that Royal Purple can improve fuel economy slightly while maintaining excellent oxidation stability. For older engines or performance builds, Royal Purple often helps reduce noise and improve throttle response, thanks to that extra lubrication film strength. It's not the most affordable option, but for enthusiasts, it delivers that buttery smooth feel mechanics talk about. Number 3. Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic. Originally designed for diesel engines, Shell Rotella T6 earned respect even among gas engine users, especially truck owners. With triple protection plus technology, it fights wear, deposits, and oil breakdown even under severe load. It's tested under API CK4 and SN Plus standards, meaning it meets both diesel and gasoline engine requirements. Rotella T6 uses synthetic base oils blended with dispersants that resist soot thickening, making it ideal for heavy-duty pickups, SUVs, and high-mileage vehicles. If you want an oil that doesn't quit under pressure, this one's battle-tested by fleets and over-the-road haulers worldwide. Number 2. Liquimoli Top Tech 4200. From Germany's most respected oil lab, Liquimoli earns this spot with precision engineering. Their Top Tech 4200 is approved by Volkswagen, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Porsche, meeting European standards like ACE C3 and VW 504, 507. This oil is built to handle extended drain intervals up to 30,000 kilometers without sacrificing shear stability. Liquimoli uses a molybdenum-based friction modifier that dramatically reduces internal drag, giving you smoother acceleration and slightly better fuel economy. For European vehicles, or anyone who values engineering precision, this oil delivers exceptional long-term cleanliness and protection. Number 1. Mobil 1 Annual Protection. At the top of the list, we have Mobil 1 Annual Protection, and for good reason. Tested for 20,000-mile drain intervals, this oil combines high-performance esters with advanced detergent additives that keep pistons up to 50% cleaner than the industry limit. Its base oil chemistry resists viscosity breakdown, even after long-term heat cycles proven in both sequence Ursha oxidation tests and Blackstone used oil analyses. Mechanics who've torn down engines after 100,000-plus miles of using this oil report almost zero sludge and very low bearing wear. If you're looking for the best combination of performance, durability, and long-term protection, Mobil 1 Annual Protection sits on the throne. Next up, the 5 worst oils you should avoid. Number 5. Napa Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Now, Napa isn't exactly bad, but compared to the big players, its performance just doesn't hold up under stress. Independent oil analyses show inconsistent viscosity retention after 5,000 to 6,000 miles, especially under high temperatures. It meets basic API SP standards, but lacks the stronger Dexos 1 Gen 3 certification, meaning it's not optimized for modern turbocharged engines. For light driving, it's fine. But if you tow, idle long hours, or push your vehicle, Napa Synthetic can thin out faster than premium competitors. It's more of a budget oil than a performance product. Number 4. Quaker State Full Synthetic. Once a big name in the 90s, Quaker State has fallen behind newer formulations. While it still meets modern industry specs, tests from Blackstone Labs show above-average oxidation after longer runs. That means the oil breaks down faster in extreme heat, reducing protection when you need it most. It's not catastrophic, but if you're running long drain intervals or live in a hot climate, you'll likely see more varnish buildup and shorter oil life than with Pennzoil or Valvoline. In short, not dangerous, but not worth the risk when better options exist at nearly the same price. Number 3. Supertech Full Synthetic. This Walmart house brand is cheap and it performs exactly like that. Yes, it's API certified, but multiple independent tests show that it oxidizes quickly and loses viscosity faster than premium synthetics. It lacks robust detergent and dispersant additives, meaning sludge can form faster in engines that run hot or idle frequently. Supertech might seem like a good budget pick, but if you plan to keep your car long-term, this is not the oil you want to depend on. Short-term savings often turn into long-term repair bills. Number 2. Coastal Synthetic Motor Oil. Oil Coastal is a lesser-known brand often found at smaller auto shops, but that's part of the problem. In multiple bench tests, its base stock blend was shown to shear down much faster than competitors after just 3,000 to 4,000 miles. It often lacks updated certifications like DexOS1 Gen 3 or ACEA A5B5, meaning it doesn't meet newer emission or turbo protection requirements. Mechanics have also reported sludge and varnish issues in engines run on Coastal after regular use. If your goal is reliability, this is one to skip, especially for modern engines that require tighter protection tolerances. Number 1. Generic or no name. Bulk synthetic oils. Finally, the worst oils aren't always from known brands. They're the no-name, unverified synthetic blends, sold online or in unbranded jugs at gas stations. Most of these don't carry real API or ILSAC certifications. Lab tests have found them failing viscosity tests, lacking essential anti-wear additives like ZDDP, and even containing recycled base oils mixed with contaminants. Using these can void your warranty and cause irreversible internal wear, especially in high-compression or turbo engines. It's not worth gambling your engine's life to save a few dollars. Always check for genuine certification logos and batch numbers before buying any oil. At the end of the day, your engine's life depends on what you pour into it. Choosing the right synthetic oil isn't just about price, it's about chemistry, certification, and long-term reliability. The best brands like Mobil 1, Liqui Moly, and AmSoil invest millions in testing, ensuring you get real protection, while some cheaper brands just meet the minimum standard. So next time you change your oil, make sure it's a product proven to protect your engine, not just one that claims to. And remember, every car deserves better than just okay. If you found this breakdown useful, hit that subscribe button for more real auto truths. Because here, we don't do sponsorships, we do facts.